In this video, I will show you how to search for specific messages in Instagram chats. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. If you want to search for a specific message in a long chat on Instagram, then it can take hours scrolling. But there is a hidden search tool in Instagram messages that not so many people know about. And I will show you to use the search tool in Instagram chats to find specific messages. Let's see how to use it. Open Instagram and then open a chat. Now, you need to tap on the profile icon of the participant from the top. Here, you will see this magnifying glass icon. Just tap on it and then the search page will open. Type a word or phrase and then search it. It will now show you all the matching messages from the current Instagram chat. Tapping on a search result will take you directly in the chat where that message is. You can repeat the same process in other chats. Just use the search tool like I have shown here and instantly find messages in long Instagram chats without hours of scrolling. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.